Check, check. Yo, what's good here, Tefano? Let's go. How are we tonight? Alright, we just bought a bike, right? Oh, we got a charcoal crimson jade. Oh, we got the Ponami skin. Oh, that's on. Hold up, hold up, hold up. La la. Boom. Here we go. Let's go for the request. Oh, GTA style? Does this come up? Holy hell. Oh, so far away. Maiden call bar. Okay. I think I'm on story mode. Am I? Yeah. Oh, okay. Space. Oh. Need to change it. Let's jump this one. I don't know about this first person driving, though. Jump off. Fuck.
Just take that in. Spectacular, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
This eastern area is all rolling hills and conifers. There's a line of mountains in the centre of the reserve. Oh, and native beech forest.
Let's go.
And a lot of rain on the
Oh.
other side. You're not going to be out running anything out here, so don't try. Nothing like the mad dash to find your harvest once you have taken it slow and steady, though. Right, so remember Josh's little prank? This place doesn't receive a lot of government funding, unfortunately, and a couple of years ago we were running out of money for field research, and the outposts were in need of sprucing up. So I guess you could say we made a deal with the devil, the Hollywood devil to be exact. My
Hollywood
mentor
devil?
used to tell me that if you don't look like a bit of a wally
Left
when you're
alt
stalking your
to
prey,
crouch
you're
Z.
probably doing it wrong. So pull up those sleeves and get to know the dude.
Oh, Z.
Long story short,
Oh, yeah.
they've just wrapped up filming for the
Let me
final
know.
movie they were contracted to do. Some fantasy thing, shiny blade or shimmering dagger or something.
Is that louder?
Now let me check. Ah, resplendent sword. I'll send you the blurb they gave me. My nephew tells
You
me
reckon
it's
it
a
could
big
go
deal,
higher?
but
Nah.
I'd certainly never heard
Nah,
of it
I don't
before
believe
this.
it. What's the talking like?
But yeah, as nice as it is, that Te Awaroa's beauty is up on
Like
the silver screen for
the
all
lady
to see.
talking on the
It's
game.
come with its share of problems, to say the least. The bigwigs left in a hurry, and we got left with a bunch of basically intact movie sets scattered here and there all over the reserve. Well, I'm telling you all of this because Josh just rang me up and said that he spotted another set on his way back. Not far from where I wanted you to try filming your first hunt. Can I trouble you to go clear it out? We can't run the risk of any of the props from the film featuring in our footage. Cheers.
Oh, the harvest screen details about your harvest, including the directional information. Eat chocolate.
I trust you're not just in this for the money.
Fuck.
Doesn't hurt, eh? Get yourself something nice. You deserve it.
Alright, let's go then. Who's funding it? Oh, sure can get yourself nice. Gonna get you to buy some gear. Like, with what money?
Tricky little fella, eh? If at first you don't succeed and all that, you'll get the next one.
Oh! Left tire.
They call this the bush for a reason, you know. As long as you plant yourself in vegetation for sure. But don't move around in it when you're closing in on your target.
Lady's pretty cheeky. Trying to tell me, trying to cut lanes in there now. She's saying it's called a bush for a reason. Yeah. Shout out Saitama-san. Oh, bro, imagine us walking in here. Eh? Oh my god.
What a mess. If
Oh,
I'd
this is the
known
movie
this was
set.
gonna happen, I never would have agreed to it. This isn't even the worst of it. Right, let's take it one by one. Just bundle them into crates and I'll get someone to swing by later and transport them out of the reserve.
Oh, what?
Quite the medieval fair. Looks more than a bit incongruous out here if you ask me.
Oh.
Are those real oranges? Good enough to eat, eh?
Oh, yeah. Is that it? Is that all we had to do? I've done the tent, packed up the barrel. Oh, 5
I
rows.
hope it didn't have an actual fire in that thing. Imagine if some silly townie kid had wandered over here and decided it would be a good idea.
Well, she's pissed off because they're doing a movie here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. True, Pretty Whips. What's Pretty Whips is one? But I like her show too. It's me. Oh, contract.
That's the last of them. What's that note? Props list. Foam statue of haughty elf standing prow, 9 foam warriors, 8 golden goblets, 3 green screens. This reads like a Christmas carol. See any of those?
Yeah.
Bit dodgy. Townies must have been up here. Well, even though this isn't our mess to clean up, I should probably ask around and see if anyone knows what's happened to the missing props. The last
Missing
thing we
props.
need is to get blamed for this. Maybe they did a very selective sweep. I'll see if anyone has a big wig's numbers. Thanks for your help, Ehor. Let's move on.
Ah,
They
no
say
worries,
experience
Ehor.
is a
Thank
great
you,
teacher.
thank you. Mihi.
Provided you're willing to heed its lessons. You seem like the sensible type, though.
Pretty's Tiki Tour. Yeah, that's the
Before
one,
you head
bro.
off and film your hunts, first we've got to set the scene, so to speak. The marketing team's looking for some photos for the reserve website. Something to
Yo,
give people a
that
taste of what this place has
That
to
bloke
offer.
Skivvy? Yo,
Now
ngami
that
with
we've
the
dealt
other.
with that
Oh, yo,
right
for the
mess, you
host.
think you can head over to
Damn,
Lake
for 3
Wakaiti
views,
and snap
bro.
a few
Appreciate
shots
that,
for
my
us?
man. Thank you.
There's a willow tree there growing right
Big
out of the
house.
water that all the
It's a bit
influencers or
different
whatever
now,
they call
Skivvy.
themselves go bonkers for.
Jamming a bit of a hunting
It
game.
does make for a good photo op, I'll give it that.
Oh, nice. Moose? An old Aotearoa? Yeah, I'll just jam it. Okay. Kia ora, Skivvy, ngā mihi ki a koe. I don't know if you're in chat or not, but thank you again. Just stopping in quickly before crash out. Have fun, my G, and leave some turkey for me. Yeah, my mother, all good. Plenty of turkey to go around, cousin. Right, what time are you up tomorrow, Pikitu? Let's go to this point of interest first. I thought I was just out here hunting. Apparently we gotta look after the whenua too. Jeez.
We got a little overly reliant on these tentpole releases. Well, I say more
Oh, annual
tents than few
screen over
releases.
3 billion in
Does that work?
2018.
Nah, you're right.
Is domesticated? Oh, true. 90% of the come from North American tourists is growing kind. Holy hell. We're learning about this land as well. I like it. Couple more test streams in the AM. Nice, bro. What time are you up to? 9ish. Oh, okay. We'll see how far we go tonight. I'll probably be in Moi, but I'll catch you nonetheless. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh, yeah. Sabus, hope your stream is going well. Yeah, we just started, cuz. Yeah, just getting into this game again. Gotta go and hunt some things, hopefully. But we're doing a bit of story mode on this game at the moment. And then for a couple hours or so, then we'll look out with the boys and go for a hunt together. Well, kind of. Do a few missions. We just need to upgrade our stats and
You know what attracts us?
whatever.
Evidence you're not alone out there. Humbling, eh?
Showing information about animals such as species, direction they were heading, and escape. Unequal amounts checker, don't know what movements. Examine check when it's close enough to it. I knew. I'll be up at 7, but yeah, so you're doing stream test at 7. Yeah, nah, nice, cuz, nice. Well, I hope you got all your stuff ready, my bro. You're all ready to go. Just gotta suss the stream, right? That's sick. Gee, hope the stream goes well tonight. I'm off to sleep though, so everyone. Nah, no worries, my bro. Thank you for clocking in, saying what up and that. Yeah, hope you have a good sleep tonight. New Year's Eve tomorrow, so yeah. If I don't see you around, bro, Happy New Year, my bro. Ngā mihi o te tauhou. All good, Pekihite? Yeah, I'll let you go to sleep, my bro. Track types entry. EG, catch you tomorrow. Ah, no. Pomari, my bro.
If you're wondering why there's no one around,
Oh.
because the reserve is actually closed to visitors for the foreseeable future. And definitely conducting
I don't know about this
emergency
driving.
research, we said. If that's what it takes to get the day trippers to clear out for a hot minute, so be it. I swear I haven't seen this place so deserted in about 10 years.
Like, waka,
It's
see,
lovely,
Stefano.
actually. Even if I can only experience it
Che.
through you.
Maunga.
Don't fall in now.
Like, waka, see.
Wouldn't be the first time that's happened here.
How do
We
you put.
used to camp out here when I was little. Tramp
Ah.
over from the other side. Me and a gaggle of other kids carrying backpacks bigger than our whole bodies. Not
Yeah,
much of that
bro.
lifestyle left these days. I miss it sometimes.
Beautiful views. Some nice water running through. It's a lake. Looks like this is the like tree on the Lion King where they have to when the stampede's happening and old Simba and that. Mufasa comes in. What were we doing here? Oh, it's just as a point of interest. Man, hope I got my waders on, otherwise I got the old water in the gumbucks. No good. Not the water in the red bands. Wait, I'm supposed to do something here. I'm just not sure what. What do you do? Undiscovered point of interest. How do you discover this place then? I'm here. I'm at... Oh. I'll press M anytime.
Running low. The outposts have ammo of all kinds. and
Sure.
besides.
You got selfies out here too. Oh no. Take a photo. Here we go. We'll get some angles going. Here we go. Rule of thirds. Boom. We want more of the water in. Not so much sky. Not too much negative space on the right side. Bang. Let's go. P. Oi. Let's go. Wait, it's still not doing anything. Photograph the willow tree. I just did, didn't I? Okay, let's do it again.
That'll do. It's looking well. We had some hoon try to saw off one of the branches a few weeks ago. Can you believe? Well, luckily someone managed to talk him out of it. Sometimes wedding parties will have the brides come up and sit on it. Wade right into the water and soak those dear dresses. The tree is 80 years old. Started off as a stray branch nailed to a fence. It's a tribute to tenacity, if you ask me. Right, now for our next destination. Head down to the shoreline. There's a set of huge boulders there that have to be seen to be believed.
Wow, we're just basically
Well,
off sightseeing. Let's
She's
go.
showing me some rocks. But trust me on this one. Our beaches are buzzing with natural activity. At least they used to be. You get more and more rubbish washed up all over the place lately. Bits of plastic pellets, runoff from factories further north. I
Yeah.
swear I've seen tin cans with Australian brand names. We do our best, but we can't always prevent the poor critters ending up with junk in their bellies. Anyway, that's the situation. I'll get back to you when you arrive. Just gonna head off for a minute, make some tea.
Make some tea. Wow, there's so much ground to cover. It's pretty huge, eh? Oh, nothing to Harakiki. Waipaua Peninsula. Kanakwe. Mean, I don't even know these places. I've never really heard of Te Awaroa National Park either. So, we're learning. No traffic today, like yesterday. Oh my god, imagine walking this whole place. Wow. Can you leave your bike in the middle of nowhere? Oh yeah, I see it too.
You'll make it more of a racket out here than at Catlin Tiller. I won't question your ways, but I prefer the silent approach.
What follows this person? Yeah, my screen can't handle it. Your PC's better, yeah, your one. By the looks of it. Oh wait, unless we
I don't need to tell an experienced hunter like you that planning ahead is most of what are successful hunters. So take this as more of a gentle reminder. Keep those binoculars handy.
300 bucks for a rabbit, yo. Alright. Hunting has added to turning animals to avoid area. 14 handy, yeah. Hunting pressure, I see.
That's better. Nothing like a good old Kiwi level blend to sort the head out.
Oh, pakai mātou ki tātahi.
Oh, hey, look at this.
I've made it to the
Now,
beach.
themselves, could they? One last hurrah before we shut the place down.
Oh, bloody hell.
Can't wait, mate. There's
Look
a
at these
local
putty
penguin
people.
population nesting not far from here, and they'll
I'm
gladly
picking up
take
their
us
bloody
for food.
rubbish.
Okay, that looks
Reminding me of an
manageable.
R&V type thing.
Let's clean this up and take the photo. Then we can talk hunting again.
Picture.
Well, as you
Ooh.
can imagine, being featured in a host of box office hits has done wonders for our profile with tourists.
Oh, hell.
Problem is, a
No
lot of
good.
the people who come are just here to take a few photos, dump a heap of rubbish, and then leave unceremoniously. So we end up with messes like this one. I'd like to say that we've become the victim of our own success, but that's letting me off the hook.
Bloody plastic
There should be
everywhere.
a stand over on the other end of the beach
Nice.
with rubbish bags and a picker.
Nice tent. Do you fit 5 in there? Young family. You'll be all good. Is this still laggy? Oh, it's... Oh, wow.
We went to all the trouble of installing these, and they still couldn't be bothered.
Mm. Oh well. Just clean it up. Make good
Looks like
money.
they had quite the little feast. These kids would have nightmares if you showed them some of what I've seen out
Beanie.
here. Birds with stomachs so full of plastic they can't eat.
South Island beanie, eh? Southerners.
South Island University. it.
University.
Way too many people around here who have never respected this place.
Respect
There,
the
let's
place.
smoke a
Respect the
stand.
land.
You made quick work of it.
So apparently we're Kaitiaki.
That's a perfectly
Of-
usable
of
tent.
the
No
reserve.
sense wasting it. Anyway,
sense
I've had
wasting it.
enough of this. And we need to ensure that we're attracting the right kinds of tourists, not just day trippers from Christchurch out on their school holidays.
Huh?
It's okay for people to come here and leave no trace, but it'd be better if we could rely on them to help us with our conservation goals. So hunters seem like the natural target audience. Our deer and goat populations need constant culling. And you better believe I've more faith in people who love the wilderness to respect the place than kids up to no good. At the risk of sounding like an old fusspot. Speaking of, let's do what we came to do and grab that photo.
Oh. What are you taking a photo of? The rocks. Oh yeah, these rocks. Oh, what am I into? Did I end? Oh shit, well I didn't. Okay. Oh yeah.